powder. So, voila!
For having a tasty apple cake, we need
2.5 cups of wheat flour, a cup of sugar, some apples, and 4 eggs.
and a half cup of oil, a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, some cinnamon, and 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a teaspoon of vanilla. Remove all ingredients from the fridge about 1 hour before and turn on the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. I peel the apples.
Crack the eggs and mix them with sugar and vanilla for 6 minutes.
For the middle ingredients, chop 2 or 3 apples and mix them with 2 tablespoons of sugar and some cinnamon. Sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon and mix them and put it aside. Grate a big apple or 2 small apples for the cake. And put it aside too.
When the cream is light and elastic, add the oil and mix it a little.
And sift the flour and baking powder. Add the mixture of baking powder and flour in 2 or 3 times and mix them. It is always better to add the mixture of flour and baking powder in 2 or 3 steps. Now I add the grated apples and mix them
twist the mold a little.
And put the greaseproof paper on the bottom of mold. Pour the most of our mixture and add the mixture of apple, sugar and cinnamon. And pour the rest of ingredients and cover the apples. If you are in favor of apples taste, you can put some slice of apple on your cake. Also, you can add some more cinnamon, but I prefer add some caramel sauce after cooking cake, and I don't add more cinnamon. Tap the mold for several times and put it in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 1 hour. It's cooked. Apple cake is ready.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so Hannah and Sasa can make more delicious food for us. Goodbye. Goodbye.